son.
You
Come here.
tried to
Come
shoot.
here. Come 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 here.
That's
Come
why
here.
you buy the shoes. Get your ass
Now, son, I put you in the ring. Okay? This is training. But you gotta rhyme, son. I ain't hear no rhyme. So let's go at it again. Come on. I just taught Anwar some tactics, you know? Okay, let's go. Go!
Destiny, we got fleas.
No.
That's rhyming.
No,
Destiny,
you ain't
we
gotta
got
go like
fleas.
you're going to music. Just same thing, but rhyme. Let's go, son.
Get out of my face, real talk.
Let's go.
Get out of my face.
Answer, son. Defend me.
Destiny, we got fleas.
Yo. I said don't change your thing, man. You're being fake.
This nigga's a joke, my
You're
nigga,
supposed to
because
argue back the
how you
rebuttal
come
with our
back?
destiny.
Anytime
You're supposed to say,
Amari
Destiny.
defend her, you laugh.
Destiny,
You pussy
why you never got
nigga. You
braces
pussy
in your
nigga,
mouth?
dog.
Why your teeth look
You
like that?
pussy.
Why does your
You
teeth look
pussy
like
meow.
that? Do you brush your teeth in the morning?
That's lame.
Okay,
You
let's
brush
go.
your
In the morning.
You
Yeah.
still wanna laugh? Why you wanna
I'm not
laugh?
laughing.
You're not supposed to be laughing.
Stink.
You look like a
Why
joke.
everywhere I
This is
walk,
what
I
you
smell
got
your
to me?
underarms.
Oh, my
You
gosh.
don't believe in deodorant?
That's deep.
You don't believe in
That's
deodorant?
deep. Now come, Destiny.
You
Let's
don't
go.
believe in deodorant?
Let's
Every
go.
day I smell your
Let's
underarms.
go.
Your dick,
Every
your
day
dick
I smell
don't
your
even
underarms.
poke. Cause
Listen.
your dick don't work,
Listen,
nigga.
stop talking
You
false
a fucking
stuff.
joke, my
Talk
nigga.
facts.
Ha ha,
You know
Kiki.
nothing about my private
Ha ha,
part.
Kiki.
And don't even use that word
Ha
on my
ha,
live.
Kiki, nigga.
Don't even use that word
Shut
on my
up.
live.
You look at this graves, you hot ass mess.
Okay.
This my shit. This my place. What the fuck
This
you
is
gonna
not
do?
your place.
You a pest.
That's how
You a
delusional
pest.
you
This
are.
not your shit.
Rhyme,
though.
Jazzy,
This not your
rhyme.
shit.
Leaving
This
this
not your
place,
shit,
Destiny.
though.
This place
You
is
can't run
empty.
me in my shit.
So you want this place? Go ahead, have it. I
can't.
hope you
Rhyme,
can pay the next
Jazzy,
month.
rhyme.
Or you're gonna get evicted.
Oh my
This
gosh.
is the place.
I'm gonna end up with the greatest rappers.
Since this
The
is the
big
place,
bitch.
stay
You a big
here.
bitch.
We
Bring your
gonna
new
turn that
boyfriend
into
here.
good.
Bring your new boyfriend here.
Why
Then
you
you're
wanna
both of y'all
laugh?
gonna get evicted.
Why you wanna laugh?
Shut the hell up. You're gonna get
Why?
evicted. You said this
Look
is
how
a
you
place,
speak.
right?
This is how men speak.
You said this is a place, right?
Oh, wait. Oh, hold on,
You said
son.
this is
Hold
a
on.
place,
Hold
right?
on. Come
You're
again,
gonna get
son.
evicted 'cause you ain't
Come,
got
come,
no money.
Come
You're
again,
broke.
son. Hold on.
You
hold
never
on.
have money.
Son. I'm telling you, you're a man. Man. You gotta come crushing. You understand? You sometimes you sound like a girl. You gotta come hard. Okay? And you gotta throw some hard punches. At this time, you can't think that she's a girl. Punch with lyrics, son. Let's go. Come on.
You said that.
Okay, Destiny. What's up? What's she saying, Anwar?
This nigga lame. I don't even care no more.
Amari, you said that.
Come on. Why I tell you no
You doing
smiling?
all this shit for fame. Every time Amari
not
say
doing
back
it
you
for
up,
fame.
every time Amari say back her up, you laughing. Why you smiling, my
This
nigga?
is starting to get funny, yo.
Why you smiling? Cause you don't got
Cut
that
the
beast.
smile.
You don't got no beast in you. You all pussy, nigga. You all pussy. You all cake. You all cake.
You ain't got
You
no
soft.
beef in you. The only
You
reason you
soft.
act tough is
You
because I'm
soft.
your brother.
You
That's
stop.
the only
Come.
You
reason.
stop.
Go down here.
You never
Go down
defend your
here.
mom. When did you do it?
When did you
When
said I
did
never
you do
defend my
it?
mom?
Bring on the man voice. Come on. Go down there and bring up the
No,
power.
you know what? He be
Come
going
on.
on his knees
Argue.
too
Go
much.
now.
He be sucking niggas too much.
Come. Go like this.
That's why you not
No,
tough.
go like
That's
this.
why you not tough, cause you be
Let-
sucking niggas D's
Let
off,
me
nigga.
train you.
Fuck.
Okay. Go. Say that.
You been sold your masculinity. A nigga sucked it out your balls.
Okay.
Destiny.
When? Go hoof. Just do what I tell you. I'm telling you how to wake up the spirit. Go hoof. Hoof. Come on.
No bite. Bark with no bite. He roofing.
What
I'm
kind
not
of
trying to
roof
bite
that?
you. I'm not trying to
Go
bite you.
hoof.
You roofing. But you not thugging.
Argue now.
You roofing, but you not
You
thugging.
soft and war. I said go
That's
roof
your
then
mom.
argue.
What do you mean defend my mom? Oh,
She
what-
beating you to the
Why do I need
punch.
to defend her? You
Defend
coming
me.
at her? Are you
You're
coming
the
at her?
man.
Are you
Defend
coming at
me.
her?
You're the man.
What do you mean I'm the name?
Defend me.
Are you coming at her?
Be a bodyguard.
Sound like a man. Oh,
Why
fuck.
are you laughing?
All that laughing.
What is funny? This real life shit.
I can't bring him on
Like, what you don't
stage.
get. People
You
really
gonna
want
show
your
me
mom
you got
head.
it or not?
People really want your mom head. You gonna protect her or you not, my nigga?
Ain't running
Yeah.
in my head. People want your
Give her
head.
your life.
People want
Give
your
her
head
your
'cause you're
life.
crazy.
I didn't say you should
Psycho.
sound like Mickey Mouse.
What the hell wrong
I
with
said
you?
rap.
Give her your
Right
life.
now.
Give her
Give
your
me
life.
the
Why
punchlines.
don't you?
Yes, I will stand in front of a bullet in a
She-
second, in a minute. I don't care.
Yeah, she,
I'm
You're
with
the
it.
biggest cat
I'm
I
with
ever
it.
seen in my
I'm
life.
she's
with
the
it.
tester.
I'm with it.
She's
the
winning
biggest
for
fan.
real, yo.
Somebody to kill me for my mom.
Yeah.
I'm with it.
Shut up, girl.
1,000%. I'm with it.
She's
You
winning.
ain't with nothing.
1,000.
You ain't with nothing.
I'm
You
old.
look
You need
crazy.
to be on the
You look
album.
crazy.
She's winning.
You just talking.
You look crazy.
She's winning, Anwar. You soft.
I ain't shit to win. I
She
don't care.
she should have her own
She don't talk
album.
facts though.
No,
She
it
don't
doesn't
know
matter.
facts.
Rappers lie on each other.
Yes,
She's
you can
winning.
play around.
All right, write a song and I write a song about you.
Who you doing it for?
You let a
Write
girl
song
beat
about
you?
For myself.
You doing it.
Anything I'm doing right now is
That's
for
why
me.
you gotta
What are you
fail.
talking about?
It's not
Okay.
you do it for others.
Ladies and gentlemen,
What do you do for others?
who's the winner, Desi or
Who do
Anwar?
you love?
For the people that
Who
I
do you
love.
love?
Who is the winner?
My mother.
Who else? Who
And I
else?
love anybody
Who else?
who ever been
Who
bullied.
else?
Bullied.
Name one more
And
person you
anybody
love.
who ever
And
lost
the winner
their
is-
God.
One more person
I'm
you
there for anyone
love.
who lost their God and want to find God back.
Who's
Because
the
people
winner,
still their
Desi
God.
or
I've
Anwar?
ever seen in my
I'm gonna
life.
make it.
You ain't fooling nobody, Destiny. You big cat.
Anwar, I say you need to sound harder. Sound like a man. Ruff. And the winner is Team Anwar. Let me see. Destiny does not.
Look well. Destiny
You gonna
does
rap
not
that?
look well.
You gonna rap about that?
You don't look well,
Destiny
Destiny.
don't
You
look well,
like you're
but I
on
still
drugs.
live swell.
You keep
Bitch,
smoking.
Destiny
every
is
day.
the
My
winner.
water
That
wet
smoking
like a
is
well.
not working
You
for
mad,
you.
You mad.
You're getting
You
skinnier
in
and
school of life
skinnier.
and you got
You're
to get
already
fat.
Rap,
born
Desi,
skinny.
Like,
rap.
You
You're
don't
already
got no
born
lyrics.
skinny.
You don't even know how to spell.
Rap for your
Did
life.
you get your
You
diploma
can't do
though?
nothing. Yes, I
Did you
did.
get the diploma?
I don't even care.
Did you
Somebody
get the
say
diploma?
Desi's the
Don't
winner.
get up
I got
in the
mine.
morning.
I got my
They
diploma.
don't think don't get up in
I
the
get my
morning.
diploma.
Somebody else said Destiny
Hey,
wins.
girls.
Good morning.
I
He
get
think
grown
that.
woman, Destiny. Grown
Same.
woman, Destiny. You don't know nothing about that. I get grown women. I don't have one girl, two girls. I got multiple girls. What are you talking about?
That's not something
Because I know
to be
how.
proud
I
of.
know what to do.
Nigga.
I know how to keep them. Destiny, do you have a man?
Do you, Anwar?
Yes, I do.
So how come you ain't got a girl right now?
I have girls in DC. I have girls in New York. What are you saying?
I ain't hear your phone ringing off, ding ding.
I don't. Amari, do I have to prove it? Like,
I never heard that phone ring.
okay, because
Who
I
you
don't. I know
giving
how to. I
ding-a-ling?
know how to stay to
Who you
myself.
giving ding-a-ling? We didn't see the girl once.
Lyrics!
You know what
She
it
didn't
is?
come once to come
You
see
know
you
what it
over
is?
here.
I
She never
like-
came one time.
What?
When did we see you with a girl? Other than
Destiny,
Kiara.
you don't know my life, Destiny.
Kiara.
When I'm in DC, you don't know what I'm doing in
Kiara,
DC.
I wanna
When I'm
be
in
free.
New
So,
York,
so
you don't know what I'm doing.
Anwar, how come we ain't see it on Instagram? Everybody
I'm
show
not-
off their
no,
girls on
that's-
Instagram.
That's telling on yourself. I'm
You
not
just
gonna.
So why
get
you
one
hiding?
girl,
I'm
one
not
baby
gonna put
mama.
one girl on the internet.
So
and
why
then
you
other girls
you
is
should
gonna-
show them on.
Listen. I know how to be a player, okay?
You're a
That's
Y'all
player.
can't tell me how to be a player.
There's no pride in
I
being
know how
that
to be a
guy.
player. I know how to stay a player.
Player?
Get married.
I know how to keep my
Get
women.
married.
Shut up.
Have kids.
Listen,
What the freak? What are
listen.
you talking about?
You can't dictate my life, alright?
So where my grandkids?
I know how to.
Where my grandkids?
I know how to keep myself happy. I'm not ready for no kids yet. I
You
wanna-
sperm